The number one mistake that business owners make when creating a lead magnet is this. We focus in on what we're trying to say, opposed to giving our audience what they need right now. So, when we talk about that, what begins to happen is we make information that is too broad. It's just too broad. You're still not providing people what it is that they need right now, or it's too complex. Talk to me like I'm a fifth grader. Make it nice and simple for me, okay? And so what we begin to do, we're trying to put in so much information that we are really giving away too much. Give people quick wins right now, so now they want to come back for more. So, as an example, in a lead magnet, as you're putting your information out there on a social media platform, remember, we're always doing our CTAs, all right, our call to actions. So everything that we're talking about in the content that we're putting out for the day, for the week, everything needs to be focused in on that particular lead magnet. Because what is that lead magnet doing for you? It is set up for you to definitely connect with the audience that you want, the audience that would want what it is that you're offering, the audience that sees what you're providing is going to bring them value. All right. So what that lead magnet is doing, it's connecting to the people who want what it is that you have to offer, up, and they're giving you their information in the form of an email, their information in the form of a phone number. All right. So we are trying to pull them in. Now, here's the key. What we are doing many times, you all, and this is a big mistake, is in our call to action, we may be saying, download this 50-page workbook to obtain more information on strategies you can create when you're building your business. That is too much information. You want to be more focused in on something real easy. Remember, our goal should be giving our audience quick wins. So now you give them one quick win. What do? We come back for the next win. We come back for the next win. Next thing you know, before you know it, they're looking to purchase something that you have, like your core product. Why? Because what are you doing? You're building trust. You're giving information out there that is of value, and you're building trust. If I'm going to give someone a 50-page workbook, you all, that is a digital product, or it is a tangible product that you literally can sell. That's too much information. It's not going to give them a quick win. All right. As a matter of fact, you're doing too much. You're doing yourself a disservice, because guess what? Look how much time more than likely it took for you to put together that 50-page workbook. So what you want to do is, this is something what you do. You tell them in your call to action, download this one-page checklist focused in on you creating strategy to start your business. Now, I'm just making up words, but your lead magnet should not be too broad. It should not be complex. Give them a quick win. Evaluate what are the pain points. What have they have a tendency to struggle with? Feel the need. Let me clap my one more time. Feel the need. That's all you want to do. That's what that lead magnet is designed for. And then, of course, with the lead magnet comes the rest from the sales funnel and all the other stuff, yada, yada, that goes along with it. But I want you all to begin to understand, you do not want to make a mistake of giving too much. Now, remember this. You must give out information that's going to bring value to the audience that you're going after, because if it's not of value, they're not coming back. So it behooves you, yeah, I love that word. It behooves you to make sure that you create something that's valuable enough that people will say, oh, this is how that's done. Oh, okay. This is a checklist. Oh, this is a one pager. I can start doing this and then evaluate how that makes me feel. All right. Because remember, as we talked about before, we went through our content creations training just last month. Everything goes together, you all, especially when we're talking about social media marketing. We're not talking about posting, we're talking about marketing. All right. And we're doing it the right way. So I wanted to leave you all with that tip. Don't make the mistake of creating a lead magnet that is too much, it's too complex. You're trying to give people information on what it is that you want to share, but no, you're not helping them get through what they need to get through right now. Remember our brains, remember our minds. We can only take so much at a given period of time. Give them a small win. And guess what? You give them that small win, they'll come back for the next win. So let's do it the right way. Remember what's coming up next. We have our upcoming, we called it the attraction method, your lead magnet workshop. It is coming up on Sunday, July 20th at 4 o'clock p.m. Pacific Standard Time. We're going to be creating our lead magnets. We're going to be looking at the necessity of them. We're going to be looking at so many other things available to you. But make sure that you are part of that workshop. Go to latanyawashington.com. The information will be in the comments, or if you're looking at this through an email, it'll be right there in my comments. You can just click on the link and go to the shop and get that particular workshop, the attraction method. Or if you're watching this from my social media platforms at Latanya Washington, just click the link in the profile and it is the very first one. What is it? The attraction method. All right. I'm looking forward to staying connected with you all. If you have any questions for me that you really, really want to talk to me about, send me a DM or simply send me an email at ask@latanyawashington.com. That's it for now. I'm looking forward to seeing you at the workshop, and I'm looking forward to staying connected. Remember, give people short, give them quick wins. All right? I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.